In this video, we'll show you how to replace the blower motor on your Ford Edge. This is located in the dashboard on the passenger side. Let's get started. Looking underneath the glove box, we're going to find a plastic panel. On either side of the panel, we have a little clip. I'm just going to go ahead and use a clip tool to pop these out. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver for this. Pop one out, and we can do the same with the other one. Looking over on the far passenger side of that panel, we have an electrical connector. Simply press in on the tab on the back side. And pop that out. Always check any electrical terminals for any damage or corrosion. And we can simply pull out on this panel. We can set that off to the side. Looking up at the blower motor, we find the white electrical connector here. You can press in on the tab. Pull down on the connector. You want to check this electrical connector for any damage or corrosion as well. Looking up at the blower motor, we have 3 T25 Torx head screws that we need to remove. Our third screw is back behind the wiring harness. Simply pop one of the clips out. You can move that off to the side. We have another small clip on the smaller portion of wiring harness. You can go ahead and disconnect that. You can rotate the motor just a little bit. You'll need to move the motor back and forth and get the wiring harness under each of the tabs. And then we can drop the motor out. You can start to get the blower motor up into place. We'll need to push the wiring harness off to the side. We'll get all 3 of the screws in. We can get the electrical connector for the blower motor in. Make sure it's fully seated. I'm not going to pull back out. We can get the wiring harness clips back in. Line up the hole on the back of the panel with the stud on the firewall. Slide it on. We can get the electrical connector plugged back in on the lower panel. Make sure that's locked in. Get the panel lined back up. We get both of the push clips in. Make sure you do the same with the other one on the other side. Give the blower motor a test and make sure it's working properly. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.